Namaste, I am Dr. Gopika, Ayurveda doctor from Somathiram Ayurveda Group. Today, I am going to prepare a well-known traditional Ayurvedic recipe, Chukku Kapi, that is ginger coffee. Now, let's have a look at the ingredients of Chukku Kapi. It has 8 ingredients. Ingredients of Chukku Kapi or dried ginger coffee. Dried ginger half teaspoon, coriander half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, Indian borage leaves 5 leaves, palm jaggery or palm sugar candy 100 gram, coffee powder 1 teaspoon, cardamom half teaspoon, holy basil 10 leaves and water 5 cups. The first one, chukka, that is dried ginger, then black pepper, coriander, palm jaggery, cardamom, coffee powder, tulasi, Indian basil leaves, and panikurka, Indian borage leaves. For the preparation of Chukku Kapi, we are using the powdered forms of the ingredients except the leaves. So let's start the preparation. Today we are preparing 4 cups of Chukku Kapi. For the 4 cups, we need 5 cups of water. This 5 cups is later reduced to 4 cups. So let's start the preparation. Here I am pouring 5 cups of water in a vessel. It is already measured. 5 cups of water. Switch on the flame. And close the vessel with the lid. Allow this water to boil. After boiling, we will add the ingredients except the leaves and the coffee powder. In the meantime, let's have a look at the medicinal benefits of the ingredients of Chukku Kapi. The first ingredient, chukka, that is dried ginger, it is having excellent anti-inflammatory properties. It improves metabolism and digestion. The second ingredient, black pepper. Black pepper is having antioxidant property. It detoxifies our body and acts as a cleansing agent. It improves brain health. The next ingredient, coriander. It is rich in dietary fiber. It is also embedded with the vitamin K, C and protein. It also aids digestion. The ingredient, palm jaggery. It is rich in manganese, magnesium, iron and calcium and thus helps in treating anemia. The next content, cardamom. It is an excellent digestive. It helps to prevent stomach bloating and intestinal gas. It also helps to prevent water retention in the body. The coffee powder, as we all know, it is a nervous stimulant. The Indian basil leaves are tulasi. It is an excellent antioxidant and it acts as a natural immune booster. It helps us to fight against from various microbial infections. And the final ingredient, Indian borage leaves. This Indian borage leaves has powerful expectorant compounds and thus helps us to relieve from cough and respiratory diseases. It also aids digestion and improves metabolism. Now the water started boiling. Let's have a look. Yes, it's already boiled. Now it's time to add the ingredients except the coffee powder and both the leaves. The first ingredient, the dried ginger. For 4 cups of chukku kapi, we need 1 teaspoon of dried ginger, and secondly cardamom, half a teaspoon of cardamom, half a teaspoon, and black pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper. The next ingredient, coriander, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and the palm jaggery. Here we are using 50 grams of palm jaggery. If you need more sweet taste, you can add more. It's up to your sweet preference. Now I have added all the powdered ingredients. Now stir the contents well and close the contents with a lid and allow this content to be boiled for another 3 to 4 minutes so that the extracts of the ingredients is properly coming out. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients, the coffee powder and both the leaves. A fresh aroma is coming from the powdered ingredients. Stir the contents well and add the remaining contents, that is coffee powder. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of coffee powder for 4 cups of chukku kapi. And the leaves, the basil leaves, 10 basil leaves is enough for 4 cups of chukku kapi. And the final ingredient, the Indian borage leaves, 5 borage leaves. Stir the contents once more and close the contents with a lid and allow them to boil for 1 more minute. Up to then, let me explain some of the health benefits of chukku kapi. Chukku kapi being a warm and spicy drink, it helps to keep our body warm during cold season. It is an excellent immune booster drink. It aids digestion and supports metabolism. It is a best drink for our respiratory system also. Now the chukku kapi is ready. Switch off the flame. Stir the contents once more and strain the contents. Let me take a tumbler and I am going to sieve the contents. Here I have added only half a teaspoon of coffee. If you need more coffee taste, you can add more, and that too with the palm jaggery also. If you need more sweet taste, add more palm jaggery. It's not a seasonal drink, you can have this at any seasons, and the main thing is if you are healthy, you can have this drink once or thrice in a week. So So, chukku kapi is ready to drink. It is an ancient Indian Ayurvedic immune booster drink. Ingredients of chukku kapi or dried ginger coffee. Dried ginger half teaspoon, coriander half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, Indian borage leaves 5 leaves, palm jaggery or palm sugar candy 100 gram, coffee powder 1 teaspoon, cardamom half teaspoon, holy basil 10 leaves and water 5 cups. How to prepare chukku kapi or dried ginger coffee? Boil 5 cups of water in a vessel. After the water gets boiled, add powdered ingredients such as dried ginger, coriander, black pepper, cardamom, palm jaggery or palm sugar candy, and allow them to boil again for 3 to 5 minutes or until the water is reduced to 4 cups with lids closed. After that, add coffee powder, basil leaves and Indian borage leaves. Cover it with a lid. Keep boiling for another 1 minute. Switch off the flame and filter it. Now, chukku kapi is ready to drink. Usage of chukku kapi or dried ginger coffee. The best time to drink this coffee is 1 hour after food. Dosage of chukku kapi or dried ginger coffee. For children, half a cup once in a week to prevent digestive issues and to boost immunity. Half a cup per day when the child is suffering from cold or cough. For adults, 1 cup twice or thrice in a week for healthy people. 1 cup a day if having any symptoms of cold or flu or gastrointestinal distress. Health benefits of chukku kapi or dried ginger coffee. Prevents cold and flu. It helps to improve immunity, relieves gastrointestinal distress, eliminates toxins and congestion from body. It also helps to keep our body warm. It is an excellent remedy for cough, sore throat and nasal congestion.